In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI Copilot in Microsoft PowerPoint or Word to generate and refine marketing campaign ideas and content, and ultimately how to export and share your polished campaign plans. Let's dive in and explore how we can enhance our productivity using the power of AI. First things first, you'll want to open either Microsoft PowerPoint or Word, depending on your preference or the nature of your project. It's important to ensure you're using a version of the software that supports AI Copilot. Once you've got the application open, it's time to make use of this impressive tool that is Copilot. Copilot is designed to assist you with generating ideas by leveraging the capabilities of AI to provide thoughtful and data-driven content suggestions. To get started, request Copilot to generate marketing campaign ideas and content. You can do this by accessing Copilot directly through your document interface. Initiate a chat or command that clearly communicates your needs, such as, "Help me generate innovative marketing campaign ideas for specify your product or service." Be specific whenever possible, as this will allow Copilot to provide responses and insights that are most relevant to your goals and objectives. Copilot will take your input and use its extensive database to come up with recommendations that are creative and effective. Once you've received the AI-generated content and ideas, it's crucial to thoroughly review what Copilot has generated. Go through each suggestion, evaluate the proposed ideas based on your understanding of the market, your brand, and your specific campaign goals. Remember, while AI can provide a multitude of creative ideas, the human touch is essential to ensure that the output aligns with your brand voice and objectives. As you review these materials, adapt and refine the content as necessary. Tweak the language, tailor messaging to better fit your brand, and make sure everything resonates with your target audience. This is where your expertise comes into play, culminating in a strategic plan that both incorporates AI insights and maintains your unique perspective. Once you're satisfied with the materials you've refined, it's time to export and share your campaign plans. Within PowerPoint or Word, you have several options to save and export your document in a format that suits your needs, such as PDF or a Word file. This makes sharing easy and ensures that your content maintains its integrity when viewed on different platforms or devices. And there you have it. You've successfully used Microsoft's AI Copilot to generate, refine, and prepare marketing